Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka app na ka Play Store.
Hatu pikwa baki jan jongpi kin kuit bha, benar kam da ka Oswell Soup, hilaban yo na barok kidukan.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingsiyo ka barit but hila ban layu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ruban syukola ho number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, arn riwe kandai pra. Kum shi ban taban plelan bat ban pen slori ki samla pulia ban yang halaki jongki kijat bat ban pen yo haki ya ka jinghikai ka bapaka kumno ban sengkam hadin balada pulia ka isel jong ka Tirot Singh Memorial College Mairang ka project ka balai snam hakini ka snam ka baningkong ka yo ban pelong ya ka certificate course on entrepreneurship ka bane shi banai kanthi nak ban ta ki samla pulia jong ka college ya ka bala bay pisa da ka prime Meghalaya. Yakani ka certificate course on entrepreneurship lasdang nadu ka arpu pratrik ujili arhajar pulai balapun kon ha ka arpu kandai trik unaitung arhajar pulai ha ka bau video jo ka mau thar raishan CNRD block ba W Masar ulawan ban long kum kongsan bat ban sam ru ik certificate syaki samla puli ke bla pendap yakani ka course syuk ani ka sengi ki samla puli ke la yo ru ban ai ka testimony halor ka jingsham bat ka jinglam changki lingba ka certificate course on entrepreneurship bat kila penipu ipieng ru ya ka program da ki jingrai bat ki jingshat tanrai.
So we've got various schemes from the government like Skill India Mission. Then from the state also we have Prime, which is one of the programs of the state government, which provides a platform to all the budding youth to form startups. That is to start their own venture, start their own enterprise. Yes, means before this program also, many youths means they try to means venture into something, into their own business, but most of them they still feel afraid since they do not know means what will happen, will it succeed or will it not succeed. But through this program, it has been designed in such a way that it will handhold you till you are at the point where you can stand up on your own 2 feet. So I really appreciate all the students who have participated in this program, in this course. You have taken that step towards, not just being a job seeker, but being a job maker. So, if you have your own venture, that means you would also be contributing by giving jobs to other people in your village or in your town or in your city. So, it's a big thing. Most of the big business houses or most of the big enterprises in the world or in a country or even in a state, they started from just a small corner or just from a small garage or just a small room. But it is the attitude of the person who takes up the challenge to do something and to achieve something. Yes, in the process you will face many ups and downs, you will face many hardships. But if your attitude is in the right way and if you have set your eyes on the goal, nothing can stop you. So, one thing which is very, I like in all the achievers in the world is their never give up attitude. You have a goal with you. You have set your goal, like in 5 years or in 10 years means I will reach there. So, yeah, means it is almost certain that you will face many failures, many hardships in the process. But if your goal is fixed and you constantly work towards that, I'm sure that each and every one of you will achieve your goal. So the second thing that I would like to talk about is the mindset. As was rightly pointed out by one of the students who gave testimony, that before this program, we always ask for a job. I don't have a job, means after I pass means I will go find a job. So, but after this program, as has been rightly pointed out, why don't we change that mindset of just being job seekers, but change it to being a job provider. Because in the society today, we really need to embark upon this mindset that we should not just be, job seekers, but be job providers. So you must have gone out means in your field work in this course, and you must have come across means entrepreneurs in the field. So, and as was means highlighted, you have met means successful entrepreneurs. So you can see that means the very common thing all the successful entrepreneurs is that they have a good positive attitude, and their mindset is also means focus on being job providers. That's how they can grow, how they can expand.
The most important things that I've learned from this program for the whole month is that we've seen and met a lot of successful entrepreneurs, and we've seen them and how patient they were. So patience is one of the most important things for us to become a successful entrepreneur.
From this 1 month program of this ESL, I have learned so much about, as an entrepreneur, we need to have a vision. And as an entrepreneur, we have to be creativity and to take measured risks.
So the thing that I learned from this program, so from the very first day up to now, I have learned so much about this program. But the point that point there is communication. So without communication, we cannot build anything, or we cannot success in our life, because communication is the key to everything, not only in business, but also in any other way also.
I have learned a lot from this program, and the most important thing that I have learned
confidence. With confidence, I have now able to overcome stage fear, and I won't get embarrassed if I have to talk in public place. One thing that I have learned and will forever remain with me is teamwork. Without teamwork, we won't be able to get done with our task, and no matter how big or small task might be.
What I've learned in this entrepreneurship course ESL is that it's amazing. You know, my brain, the size of my brain is like this. I don't know what the importance of knowledge is, but now I can expand it. I can see the path opening to me. Why walk from this step when you can jump to it? That is what I think of myself now. And I'm not a big risk taker, but now I understand that to reach my success is to take the risk, to do whatever it takes to reach the success.
Vicky, Stephania, Rila or Tisa, Rosemary, Rohan, Latin Cordoba, Nicomande, Lillard, Cynthia, Indian Daphne, Margot, Jenica, Kandapa, Jennifer,